Here we are again, ho ho ho. And this is our little choo-choo train. We have this every year. I love it. Little Santa waving there and candy cane and stuff in the back. And then in the back behind him, he's on the teeter-totter there with his little snowman friend. I think that's a little girl on there. And then behind her, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, Stephen, is our little rocking horse. We have him every year. And then here's our, let's see, here's our little Santa. We're about ready to retire him too. You see, he's struggling to ski. He's still doing it, but he's struggling. But so he's getting ready to retire, but he's an oldie but goodie. And of course, we have our nativity scene that we have every year. And then we got a little angel behind that, whose wings kind of fold in and out. And our other tree here with its lights in it. I think that's very pretty. I think we're going to stop it here though, because we're going to walk a little bit further up into the yard, and then we'll see you in a minute.